Hi friends, and welcome to the channel. My name is Ebony. I'm a furniture artist and I specialize in taking neglected pieces of furniture and turning them into something beautiful. So in today's video, I'm working on a dresser that I found literally 2 houses down from us in our neighbor's yard. It was free and I was so excited. So I just rolled this thing into our driveway and got to work a few short days later. So in my opinion, it's actually in really good shape. There are a couple of repairs that we need to do, including the veneer on the side, and one of the drawers is chipped, but that's nothing too major, nothing we can't fix. So if you want to see how I completed this transformation, just keep watching and we're going to get right into it. say thank you to everybody who's watching. Thank you to everybody who's watched any of my previous videos, and those of you that have liked or subscribed or even commented. I don't take any of that for granted, so I really want you to know how much I appreciate that. And then I also wanted to just let you know that furniture flipping isn't always beautiful. You know, we see these end results and we just kind of think it's just easy to achieve these things, and it's not. I went through some challenges behind the scenes that I did not share, that like began to cause me to get down on myself. And this happens all the time. I don't think I've ever smoothly just completed any transformation ever. There's always some type of setback or some type of battle wound that I just can't fix. That's just what I call it, battle wounds. But I just want you to know you have to persevere. You have to look on the bright side. You have to trust God. You have to really just get through it and take it as a learning experience. And with this particular dresser, I took something away from doing this that's really going to help me achieve an even better quality on all of my future furniture flips. So I'm excited for that. So I just want you to know, like, you're not alone. It's normal. People don't always talk about it, and then sometimes we do, but it's just a part of the game. So don't get down on yourself, don't get discouraged, and don't quit. But with that being said, I just want you guys to know how much I appreciate you. I would love for you guys to join the family by hitting the subscribe button. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and check out last week's video. And hopefully I'll be back on here sometime next week. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.